welcome to my is Reading Away with Mystery. Colton has just woken behind me. So today I am going to unbox my first ever Blindful books subscription pack. First ever book subscription I've done. So on this site you can choose 1, 2 or 3 books to receive each month. And you can choose whether you want mystery, romance, or just a mixture. And I went for a mixture, I did, and 3 books. So I thought I'd quickly do a first video on this channel as an unboxing. First of all, obviously you can see there is some damage to the outer packaging, but that doesn't bother me. But I love the little rope. So first of all, I noticed a welcome card, which is lovely. Welcome to your book subscription from Blindful Books Ltd. We hope you enjoy the first subscription for a series of 1. Your next book will ship automatically when it's time, but for now, sit back and relax with your new read. Thank you for your order. We hope you enjoy this mystery selection. And then on the back, it has the details to contact if anyone else would like to join after this video. The first book is by an author that I am in love with, so this is a book I can tick off now that I have got, which is John Grisham. His thrillers, crimes, those books that should just draw you in. I'm currently reading The Confessions. I've got Pelican Brief to read as well, and this one is The Summons. So I did look at this not long ago that I was close to buying myself. Now I believe Blindful books are books that have been used as well, obviously, and read, so it's recycling or passing on, and yeah, I just find it brilliant. So what I do, just as a little thing, is that I don't normally read the blurb out. I will just read what magazines or people have said themselves about the book. So we've got from The Independent, John Grisham is a copper-bottomed promise of reliable storytelling. The legal trappings are as persuasive as ever. Mirror, smooth, tough and addictive. Now I will agree, they are addictive. Times literary supplement, compelling. So yes, I'm excited for that one. I was actually going to order this off a book website as well. This is Ronan Coleman, The Memory Book, one for uplifting. Let's read the blurb of this one. The name of your firstborn, the face of your lover. What would happen if your memory of these began to fade? Is it possible to rebuild your life, raise a family, fall in love again? When Claire begins to write her memory book, she already knows that this scrapbook of mementos will soon be all her daughters and husband has left of her. But how can she hold on to the past when the future is slipping through her fingers? I'm excited, and I love the front of this one as well. And my third and final book of my first month subscription is called Moving, A Family Home Full of Secrets by Jenny Eclair. This is very fancy. So compelling, compassionate and keenly observed. Edwina's story is both heart-reading and compelling, a gripping novel of family secrets and shocking betrayals. It only took one night to tear a family apart. I do love a good mystery, and oh my goodness. So yes, I am so chuffed with my first 3 books of my monthly subscription. And I'm definitely super happy about John Grisham. If you love thrillers and you love mysteries, I really highly recommend John Grisham. I just literally came across him before and it's amazing. So yes, so I thought I'd just do my first ever clip, which is short. So this cost me $13.99 a month, and I've got the 3 books. So I just go for random selection each month now. So I think that's really good. I'm planning on looking at other subscriptions, to do some more unboxing subscriptions, and kind of like see which ones are the best out of all, for price wise and quality and the stories you get as well. And let's see if you get any repeats throughout the months coming as well. That's the one thing I do worry about, whether anyone repeats handing out the same ones or not. So I will keep you informed on that one. The next video, sorry this one was in a short, my next video is going to be one I recorded not long ago. So I've got an unboxing of 40 charity books. It's a mystery box. It cost me £19 altogether, I believe, or £12 or something like that, with postage, and got it off eBay. So the first video that I'll be uploading later on will be the first 20, and obviously John Grisham and The Confessions in there. That shows you that I've already done it because I've started reading already halfway through. And then I'll also record the second half of what books I received through there as well. And then I will do my July to read list of what I'm planning on reading through this month, or what I've started or completed already. Right, I shall leave you all be, and please do follow me on Instagram. It's reading away in mystery, like you will see just down here. And yeah, it'll be brilliant. And yeah, so thank you.